Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial I will show you how to create an oil painting from your image using PhotoDirector. Just open the app, click on AI Sketch, choose your image, and then here using artistic effects you can choose oil painting. Click on it, and if it's needed you can make the face bigger. Just choose go to crop, and okay, the aspect ratio is just fine for me now. And then wait for a few seconds till the AI is working on your masterpiece. Soon your original image will be converted into an oil painting. Yeah, that's basically it. And then click on the check mark and do not forget to download the file. Thank you for your kind attention.